I hope you have understood measurement of length on you have done word problems based on length. I have solved on blackboard. Now today we are starting measurement of weight. You have seen vendors selling vegetables, fruits, and in shops you go for buying things. So they have a balance, and they have that kilograms and grams weighing objects also. So they keep, and you in class one you know the balance that we call balance. Through balance we weight the objects. है ना, small objects we weigh through grams and bigger objects we weigh in kilograms. Okay, like sharpener, it is very light thing, so we will measure in grams. But like packet of salt, so that we measure in kilograms. So now we are going to solve question exercise 9C is not in your course, cut that. Now we will solve 9D exercises. Already you have done lots of word problems in addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now the same thing it is here only, but only you have to understand what we have to do in these sums. All mix we will give. So you have to just read twice, thrice what we have to do in this sum, whether it is of addition, subtraction. Okay. So I think in measurement only you have addition and subtraction, not of multiplication and division. You know, when we ask for more, so you have to go for addition. When we are asking for less things, so you have to go for subtraction. Now I am going to read on 5 sums are there in 9th D. So I am going to read question number 1 and 2 and 3. We will solve through video, and 4th and 5th I will send you pic. You have to do in your copy. Questions, so all you have to do in copy 1 to 5, but 3 I am solving through video and 2 through notebook. Okay, so question 1 is a shopping cart weighs 75 kg and another shopping cart weighs 103 kg. How much do they weigh in all? Now it is clear, already in all is there. So you have to go for addition. I will solve this sum on the blackboard. Okay, solution is a shopping cart weighs 75 kg, another shopping cart weighs 103 kg. So in all means you have to add. So addition you know, very simple addition. So answer is they weigh 178 kg in all. Beta, in this exercises addition, subtraction all are mixed. In same question also you have to do addition, and in same question you can go for subtraction, depend on the question asked. Okay, so you have to understand the meaning of question properly. Now question number 2. A silver diya weighs 100 gram and a silver crown weighs 250 gram. Which item weighs more? Now I already told you, when you are said to find out more, so you have to go for addition. So here it is question that which items weighs more and by how much. So आपको इसको addition भी करना है. So and let's see how we will solve this exercise. I will solve on blackboard. Solution you come to know through blackboard exercises. ठीक है? Okay, a silver diya weighs 100 gram. A silver crown weighs 250 gram. As you know, 250 is greater than 108. So you come to know that silver crown weighs more. But by how much? So you have to go for subtraction. So you got the answer 142. This you have 0 minus 8, you know, not possible. So it will go for 5 to take tens. So 10 minus 8, 2, 4 minus 0, 4, and in this way you got the answer 142. So answer is silver crown weighs more by 142 gram. Okay. Now question number, okay, I am reading. Third, 4 I will send you through notebook. At an airport, the luggage allowed for 4 persons is 85 kg. If a family of 4 persons carries 93 kg luggage, how much is their luggage overweight? Okay, so we will solve this exercise on blackboard. I have read for you. Let's see the solution. So the solution is the luggage allowed is 85 kg. A family carries 93 kg. So how much they are carrying overweight? So you have to go for subtraction. Answer you got 3 minus 5 not possible. It will bring tens from 9 and become 13. Again 13 minus 5 you will get 8. 8 minus 8 0. So it was overweight by 8 kg. So in this way we have done the solution of 3 questions, and rest 2 I will send you by pics. All the 5 I will send by pics, and you have to complete your classwork copy. Students, as you know, in length 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, but in weight 1 kg means 1000 gram. Okay, in the same way we are going to read about new topic, capacity. Capacity means what is the capacity of that vessel it can hold that liquid. It is used for liquids like milk, juice, water, whatever liquid you have, petrol, diesel. So how much liter petrol you have, how much liter milk you want. So capacity liters we are using for measuring liquids. This we know the term by class 1 also, but we are explaining you once again how to do word problems. And in the same way 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay? So now spoon has less capacity to hold liquid, then curtain small, then bottles, then big vessel, then drum. So all have the different quantities and all are getting different answers. So we have used the standard units to measure liquids, that is liter and milliliter. Now we are going to solve exercises based on this. 9th E not in your course. Last exercise 9th F we will do. Okay, 9th E we have cut the, now 9th F. 4 sums are there. I will solve 2 sums. Now I am going to read question number 1. A bucket contains 45 liters of water and another bucket contains 28 liters. So we have to find out the total amount. So you have to add both the liquid of 2 buckets. It is addition. Okay, let us read question 2. I think this you can do yourself. I will send you pic and you can do yourself. This is simple addition. Let us read question number 2. A water tank alarm activates when the water tank is filled with 683 liters of water. If the capacity of tank is 750 liters, how much water is still needed to completely fill the tank? So I think we will do solution of this type of sum on blackboard. Okay, I am going to solve this sum on blackboard. Wait. So solution of question number 2 is tank filled 683 liters but capacity of tank is 750 liters. So water needed to fill the tank is equal to 750 liters minus 683 liters. Subtraction you know. So tank requires 67 liters to fill. Students, I am going to read question number 3. Second, I told you simple subtraction. You can go for that. 3, I am reading. It is also simple subtraction. You can do yourself. Okay. Now fourth. Second and fourth I will do on board. An oil can has a, because it is a different type of question that I will do on blackboard. And second simple and third simple. So you can go for that. First and third you can do yourself in copy, and second and fourth I am doing on blackboard. An oil can has a capacity of 5 liters. Okay, a can has a capacity of 5 liters. Roma used 2 liters out of this. How much is remaining? 5 minus 2, 3. Then she added 1 liter more. Now how much? 3 plus 1, 4. Now can has 4 liters. So I am going to solve this. Okay, on the blackboard. It is different. So let us wait for solution. It is a very tricky question. Just you can do on fingers. Capacity of oil can 5 liters. Roma used 2 liters. Now how much oil is remained? 5 minus 2, 3 liters. Now again she refilled it with 1 liter. So oil is now 3 liters plus 1 equal to 4 liter. This was a tricky. Nothing else. Okay. Now practice all the sums and these exercises will come in your next exam. So solve all the questions. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.